Let's talk about creating a blog post with the ExpressPro social marketing system. I'm already logged in, so all I have to do is go directly to my dashboard. And then I'm the owner, so I'm going to post a blog in Owner's Blog. The reason why we've differentiated those is because oftentimes the owner is presenting to a different audience than, say, an account rep. The owner might be reaching out specifically to clients, whereas an account or customer service rep might be connecting more with associates. And then also the owner, business owner to business owner respect also adds a certain different kind of element. So we've decided to make very distinct blogs so that you can use your tools to market to a variety of different types of people within your marketing needs. Now I've already begun to create a blog, so I'll click Edit. In that blog, I'm going to give it a title. This is the first blog from our owner. And then I'll type the body of my message in here. Typically, a blog is going to be somewhere between 300 to 600 words. Now that blog contains a number of words in it that are ultimately keywords. There are a couple of ways that you want to utilize and think of keywords. One, when you're talking about staffing and your customers are searching for staffing companies, the word staffing triggers search and attracts search engines to your site. Now it takes time and it takes consistency, but ultimately practicing the correct use of keywords is going to raise your rankings and make your site more findable for people that are looking for your services. Now think of employment as a keyword, because it obviously is in the industry. What I would do is I would actually link back to my site at least once and no more than 3 times with a keyword that is very indicative of my site's content and the content that I want to be found for. Staffing might be your primary choice. You can choose whichever you want. But I suggest that you pick an emphasis based on the kind of stuff that people are searching for in your area. You can also link to other things. So let's say that you wanted to link to other news stories about Express Employment Professionals. Well, I'm going to use the Insights section down here and click News. I'll type in the keyword that I'm looking for, and it pulls up some news records here. People on the Move, March 24th. It's a journal entry. Journal record staff writes something about Express Employment Professionals. It's somewhere on the net. It's relevant. I'm going to go ahead and add it. I'll just click this little icon to the right, and as I do that, it automatically created a link out of this, linking to that news article. So that's a convenient way to link to other articles. Another thing that I like to include in my blogs is pictures. Well, I'm going to use the Insights box to search for pictures. And this shows a variety of pictures that are relevant to my search term in some way. And simply by clicking on it, it inserts it wherever my cursor was in the blog post. Now I have a couple options here. I can click a little picture icon that shows up when I mouse over the image, and I can move the picture to the right, center, left, or leave it the way it was. I'd like it to be on the right. and I'd like the text to wrap. So that's the selection I've made. Well, I have a really short blog, so the picture maybe is a little bit overkill, making my content look like I barely wrote anything. So I'm going to drop down the size just a little bit. Click Update, and we are done. And all I have to do is update my post. And this is the perfect opportunity to share it to my fan page. That is how you would create a post in the Express Pro social marketing system.